No! Don't kill her! I'll boil her!
You'll kill her yourself if you boil her.
Oh my god! You didn't just chop that beautiful broccoli! You execute it! R.I.P. Queen? I'm hungry! My mom always boiled broccoli for me and told me it's a powerful antioxidant. And my grandma used to add that it reduces the risk of cancer and cardiovascular diseases.
Have you washed your hands?
Yes. Why are you looking at me like that?
Listen to me carefully!
Yes, Chef, sir! Hoorah! Lock and load the sauce! Hoorah! Hey, Cat Kitchen! On the double time! Wow, sir! Yes, Chef! Left, right!
Okay, enough with the veggie drama already. Pause the show and listen to me for real this time. Nutrition 101 incoming, no interruptions. Sulforaphane must form in the cabbage. That's your armor against cancer and toxins. But for it to appear, you need to destroy the broccoli cells and wait 30 to 90 minutes! Boiling is the worst method. Glucosinolates is dissolved. Micronase and nitrates. Okay, one more time for the people in the back. Boiling is the worst method. Glucosinolates dissolve, myrosinase is destroyed, sulforaphane is not used. And microwaving quickly destroys antioxidants. Are you okay? Oh no, did the walk win? Talk to me!
My job title is assistant, not walk wrestlate! Ice pack, and my mirror back, now!
Stir-frying and steaming are the best methods. Preserves up to 90% of glucosinolates and vitamin C if cooked for no more than 3 to 5 minutes until al dente. Did you wash your hands?
Yes, Chef!
What? A cat in the kitchen? Wool! Germs! A curious nose in every bowl!
This is my Cleo, she's good!
Did you wash your hands? So, where was I? Oh yeah, we'll wait 40 minutes.
I've decided to start yoga and eat only healthy food. And my best friend Kale is actually vegan for 2 whole weeks now. She's even planning on switching to a raw food diet. I think she's just fallen in love with Dr. Berg. We start on Monday.
When a chef is told about raw foodism, he feels like there's one less Maillard reaction in the world. However, broccoli is also suitable for raw foodism. Or rather, not broccoli, but its sprouts. Broccoli sprouts contain 20 to 50 times more sulforaphane than the most mature head of cabbage. You can get a therapeutic dose of sulforaphane from a very small amount of microgreens.
And yet, I still don't understand why I need sulforaphane.
It's very healthy!
But I'm healthy. I'm hungry, and now we have to wait. I didn't ask you to do intermittent fasting for me. And why did you chop up such beautiful broccoli so cruelly? I could have boiled it quickly, and we would have had dinner already.
I know who will explain everything to you. We have at least 40 minutes. Let's go! Let's go!
Okay. Slow down, hotshot. Where are we headed in such a rush?
We're heading to my older brother, Arthur. He's a doctor, a professor of medicine, and a walking encyclopedia. He'll explain everything about sulforaphane.
Aren't we disturbing him? What if he's busy with something important?
He's always busy with something important. But he loves to heal, teach, and educate everyone so much that he'll happily give us a little lecture. I don't go hats. The mind's main way. The main thing is not to ask why, or we'll be stuck until the next ice age. He likes questions he knows the answers to. Hold this. It's a gift for Flora, Arthur's beloved wife. She'll be delighted.
Does Flora have such a sweet tooth?
No. She's a nutritionist and eco-activist, reusing plastic boxes. You'll see for yourself now. We're here.